Hello, and welcome to this session. My name is Leroy Meadows, and in this session, we're going to be working exercise 20-21 at the end of the chapter, 20-21. So let's go ahead and get started here. Wonderline operates a megastore featuring sports merchandise. It uses an economic ordering quantity decision model to make inventory decisions. It is now considering inventory decisions for its Los Angeles Galaxy soccer jerseys product line. This is a highly popular item. Data for 2017 are as follows. And we have expected annual demand of Galaxy jerseys, 9,000. Ordering cost per purchase order, $250. Carrying cost per year, $8 per jersey. Now each jersey costs Wonderline $50 and sells for $100. The $8 carrying cost per jersey per year consists of the required return on investment of $5, which is 10% of the purchase price, plus $3 in relevant insurance, handling, and storage costs. The purchasing lead time is 5 days. Wonderline is open 365 days a year. And we're asked to do three things. First of all, we're asked to calculate the economic ordering quantity. 2, we're asked to calculate the number of orders that we placed each year. And then 3, calculate the reorder point. So let's take a look and get started here. If we remember from the chapter, the economic ordering quantity, we need to know three things. We need to know annual demand. And in this case, it's what? 9,000 jerseys. We also need to know the purchase order, or the cost per purchase order rather, and that's $250. And we also need to know the carrying cost per year per unit of inventory. And we're given that information right here. So we're given all three bits of information in our economic ordering quantity calculation. So let's go ahead here and we see that we've identified the demand, 9,000 jerseys per year. Excuse me, the purchase price is $250 per purchase order. And the carrying cost per year, $8 per jersey per year. So now when I plug that into my formula here, and remember our economic ordering quantity formula is what? 2, the square root of 2 times the annual demand times the cost per purchase order divided by the carrying cost per unit of inventory. So when I take so I'm going to do all this first, and then I'm going to take the square root of that. 2, square root of 2 times 9,000 times 250 divided by 8. And when I do that, I should get 750 jerseys. So that's the number of jerseys I'm going to order each and every time that I make a purchase. So that is one. That is part one. Calculate the economic ordering quantity. And remember, the economic ordering quantity is the quantity that we order at each and every time that minimizes total annual relevant carrying cost and ordering costs. So let's take a look at number 2. Calculate the number of orders that we placed each year. So what I'm going to do in order to calculate this is I'm going to take my annual demand of 9,000 and I'm going to split that up over and divide that by the number of jerseys that I'm going to order in the economic ordering model. So I'm going to take my 9,000, that right here, and divide it by my economic order quantity. And that will tell me that I'm going to have 12 orders for the year. So basically, I'm ordering once a month. I'm going to need to make 12 orders. Throughout the year. So that's the number of orders that we place each year. I just simply take my annual demand and divide that by the economic ordering quantity of how many I'm going to order each and every time, and that will give me the number of orders. Now, we're asked to calculate the reorder point. So in this case, we need to know what's my lead time. My purchase lead time is 5 days. So in this situation, I'm going to take my annual demand divide it by 365 days, since that's the number of days I'm open. And when I do that, I'm going to get, I sell 24.66 jerseys per day. My lead time is 5 days. So when I multiply that by 5, then my reorder point is going to be approximately 123 jerseys. So when my inventory gets down from the 750 jerseys, let's say all 750 just came in just as I ran out of my old stock. Now when I get down to approximately 123 jerseys, I will reorder another 750 jerseys. At the time that I run out of these jerseys here, from when I go down from 123 and I start selling about 24, 25 a day, then once I run out of these jerseys, then my next shipment of 750 jerseys will come in. So this is the economic ordering quantity model, and this is for a retailer. So again, my name is Leroy Meadows. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day.